Let's talk pass-through connectors. What I mean is these guys. A lot of people will say they're crap. Well, they're right. They are crap. Unless you keep your tool updated, maintained, and new blades. I usually change mine every maybe 2 of these, which is about 100 of them, 100 per case, or container, whatever you want to call it. If you don't, the blades will chip and they will not cut properly, leading you to have a bad connection. I really like pass-through because then I can see the proper color code and I can actually push the jacket all the way up into connector and it works great. Now, if you buy Amazon clear special ones that are just garbage, yes, you'll have a bad pass-through connector crimp. Yes, it will not work good, even if you have good blades. I've been using these for the last 6 years, the Platinum Easy RJ45 with vertical cable crimper. Not a single issue. I test every one of them and I still don't have any issues with them. Because, like I said, I maintain every 2 of these, I change over to this. This is $10 and it takes about 3 minutes, maybe less, to change the blades out. And it ensures that you get proper cuts. If you don't, then yes, you're going to get bad connection or bad crimps. So what I'm trying to say is I don't have any issues with these, and there's probably thousands of other techs that'll say the exact same thing, and they probably do the exact same thing as me by changing the blades, because the blades don't last forever. $10 blades to make sure you have good crimps. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the blades on these, and many of you guys are probably going to comment on my post saying, no, you should use the other ones because you're a better technician have used those. Well, like I said, I've been using them for 5-6 years and never an issue, so I'm going to continue using what I use and go from there. Let's change the blades and go from there. Changing the blade out is as easy as opening the package, taking all the blades out. We have several ones. 4 blades. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the top one first. Make sure we put the blade in properly. Sharp side here. Put our screw in. Okay, first one's in. We can see that this one doesn't really have any nicks in here, so we could probably keep this as a spare just in case. Maybe you need it for an emergency. Put that off to the side. Now we're going to change this one right here. I believe we have to take this guard off. Then we can take this blade right here out. There we go. And we need this guy. So we'll take these 2 screws. And it looks like, because I changed this blade early now, but this one doesn't have any nicks on it, so we'll keep this as a spare too. Make sure our both blades are facing in. Put our guard back on. Okay, and now the most important one, which is on the back side right here. I don't really use the phone one, but I'm going to change it anyways because why not? We'll do that one first. Doesn't get used, use it as a spare. Blade goes this way so it can clamp down, right? That one's done. And now the last one. Take this off. Our blade doesn't look too chipped or anything like that, but you know what? It's time to change it, so I'll keep it as a spare too. Put this on here. Make sure you hold it very lightly because these blades are very sharp. What you want to do is just put it in here like this and then put it on. It will self-adjust when you put it into here because of there's 2 little grooves right here. Done. Easy to do. As you can see, extremely easy to change the blades. The Platinum Tools replacement kit, 5 minutes to change the blades so you have perfect cuts. Easy. Now, the second part of that to having good crimps is using good ends. I use the Platinum Easy RJ45 ends. They have a purple tinge to them. They work extremely well. This is a case of Cat 6. I also have Cat 5 ones. And they just work. I don't have issues with them. I can't remember the last time one failed. Probably because I changed the blades and I keep this maintained. So people are going to comment and say no, yes, whatever you want. My theory is use what you got. If you have good success, use it. And go from there. Comments down below. Let's go. Have a great day and like and subscribe.